Kasanyagan Converging Institutions, it is with great joy and pride that I welcome all of you to this momentous occasion, the 24th anniversary celebration of Kasanyagan Microfinance.
We celebrate not only the passing of another year, but the strength, resilience, and unwavering spirit that carried us through 24 years of service, transformation, and hope. We have walked side by side with the communities we serve, our nanay, farmers, small entrepreneurs, and families whose dream pushes us to give us our best in every single day. Thank you, mabuhay ang KCI family. Happy 24 years anniversary to KMFI. Again, sa KMFI, mine forever. Maraming salamat.
We are here today to acknowledge your commitment, your dedication, your professionalism, your creativity, your excellence, as well as your heart. These core values remain to be the foundation of our success. So to all of you, cheers!
A change you got on your body remind me to be this way. I'm focusing, I'm not fighting my nature, my rain. I'm standing on the box, baby, thinking out here for days. I've never been good at faking. It's in my face.